Imagine waking up, grabbing your phone and seeing money deposited right into your bank account, all while you were sleeping. Feels like a dream, right? But it's a dream that could be real. Now, the sad truth? Most people still rely solely on a 9-to-5 job, stressing over every dollar. If you're here though, I bet you want more than just getting by. You want financial freedom. But here's the deal. Without passive income, freedom is almost impossible. So what if I told you there are 5 proven ways to build wealth even when you're not working? Stick around because I'm breaking down exactly how you can start each one. And one of these could be your golden ticket to retiring early. Oh, and don't worry, I'm not about to sell you one weird trick. Just real strategies to actually build wealth. Alright, let's dive right into our first passive income stream, dividend stocks. You've probably heard about the stock market, right? But did you know that some stocks actually pay you money just for owning them? These magical money-making stocks are called dividend stocks. Think of companies like Coca-Cola, Apple, or Johnson & Johnson. These giants actually share a portion of their profits with their stockholders. That's right, just for owning a tiny piece of these companies, they send you a check. It's like getting a bonus just for being a part owner. Now, the amount you get depends on how many shares you own and the dividend payout of the company. But over time, these dividends can really add up and create a nice stream of passive income. Imagine this. You buy shares of a company like Apple today, hold on to them for years, and watch as they consistently pay you dividends. You're basically getting paid to potentially grow your wealth. But hold on, I know what you might be thinking. Isn't the stock market risky? And yeah, you're not wrong. Investing in individual stocks always carries some risk. That's why it's crucial to do your research and choose companies with a solid track record of profitability and dividend payments. Think of it like picking a roommate. You want someone reliable who pays their rent on time, right? Another option is to invest in dividend-focused ETFs or mutual funds. These are like baskets of dividend-paying stocks which can help spread your risk. Now, I'm not saying dividend stocks are a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, patience, and a solid investment strategy to see significant returns. But the beauty of it is that you're essentially getting paid to be patient. You're letting your money work for you while you sleep, eat, or binge-watch your favorite shows. And over the long term, those dividends can compound and grow your wealth exponentially. So, if you're looking for a way to generate passive income and potentially build long-term wealth, dividend stocks are definitely worth considering. Let's move on to our second passive income stream, rental real estate. This one's a classic, and for good reason. Owning a rental property isn't just about having a place to call your own. It's about generating a steady stream of passive income. Imagine this. Every month, like clockwork, your tenant sends you a rent check. That rent money covers your mortgage payments, property taxes, and other expenses. And ideally, you're left with a nice profit. That's your passive income right there. But it gets even better. As you pay down your mortgage, you're building equity in your property. And over time, as property values typically appreciate, your investment grows even more. It's like a double whammy of wealth building. Now, I know what you're thinking. Real estate is expensive, I can't afford that. And yeah, it can be a significant investment up front. But there are ways to get started, even with a smaller budget. You could consider house hacking, where you live in one unit of a multifamily property and rent out the others. Or you could explore partnerships with other investors to pool your resources. The key is to do your research, crunch the numbers, and make sure it aligns with your financial goals. Now, real estate investing isn't without its challenges. You'll need to deal with tenants, property maintenance, and the occasional late-night plumbing emergency. But if you're willing to put in the work, or hire a property manager to handle the day-to-day, rental real estate can be an incredibly rewarding way to build long-term wealth and generate passive income. Just imagine yourself years from now, collecting rent checks while you sip margaritas on a beach somewhere. Sounds pretty good, right? Chapter 3. Now let's talk about a passive income stream that's perfect for the digital age, digital products. This one's a game changer, especially if you're creative and love the online world. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once and they can sell over and over again, generating passive income while you sleep, travel, or just enjoy life. Think about it. Ebooks, online courses, templates, stock photos, software, the possibilities are endless. Let's say you're a whiz at graphic design. You could create a pack of social media templates listed on platforms like Etsy or Creative Market and watch as people purchase it again and again. Or maybe you're a fitness enthusiast. You could create an online course sharing your knowledge and experience, helping others achieve their fitness goals while you earn passive income. The key here is to identify your skills, passions, and what people are willing to pay for. Once you've created your digital product, it's all about marketing and getting it in front of the right audience. You can leverage social media, content marketing, or even paid advertising to reach potential customers. And the best part? You don't need to handle physical inventory, shipping, or customer service. It's all digital, baby. Now, creating a successful digital product does take effort and dedication. You'll need to create high-quality content, market it effectively, and provide excellent customer support. But the potential rewards are huge. Imagine waking up to find that you've sold multiple copies of your ebook overnight. That's the power of digital products. They work for you 24/7, generating passive income even when you're not actively working. So if you're ready to unleash your creativity, leverage the digital world, and build a passive income stream that can scale infinitely, digital products are definitely worth exploring. Chapter 4. Let's dive into our fourth passive income stream, peer-to-peer P2P lending. Now, this one might sound a little intimidating at first, but it's actually quite simple. Imagine this. You become the bank, lending money to individuals or small businesses in need, and they pay you back with interest. It's like cutting out the middleman and earning a higher return on your money. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper connect borrowers with investors like you. You can browse through loan listings, assess risk levels, and choose which loans you want to fund. You can start with as little as $25 and diversify your investments across multiple loans to minimize risk. It's like building your own mini loan portfolio. Now, P2P lending does come with risks, just like any other investment. Borrowers may default on their loans, and there's always the potential for losses. That's why it's crucial to do your due diligence, understand the risks involved, and only invest what you can afford to lose. But here's the thing. P2P lending can offer potentially higher returns than traditional savings accounts or CDs, and it allows you to earn passive income while helping others achieve their financial goals. You're essentially becoming a financial superhero, providing access to credit for those who need it most. Plus, it's super easy to get started. You simply create an account on a P2P lending platform, choose your investment strategy, and start earning interest. It's like setting your money on autopilot and watching it grow. So, if you're looking for a way to diversify your investment portfolio, potentially earn higher returns, and make a positive impact, P2P lending could be a great option for you. Chapter 5. Alright, let's wrap things up with our fifth and final passive income stream, affiliate marketing. This one's a personal favorite of mine, and it's all about getting rewarded for sharing products or services you love. Here's the gist. You partner with a company or brand you believe in, promote their products or services to your audience, and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. It's like being a brand ambassador, but instead of getting free swag, you get cold hard cash. Let's say you're a tech enthusiast with a popular YouTube channel. You could partner with a tech company, create a review video of their latest gadget, and include your affiliate link in the description. Every time someone buys that gadget through your link, you earn a commission. Or maybe you're a fashion blogger with a loyal Instagram following. You could partner with your favorite clothing brands, share stylish photos featuring their products, and include your affiliate links in your posts. The possibilities are endless. Affiliate marketing is all about leveraging your existing audience, platform, or network to promote products or services you genuinely recommend. You're essentially getting paid to share your recommendations and help your audience discover awesome stuff. Now, successful affiliate marketing does require effort and strategy. You'll need to build trust with your audience, create compelling content, and choose the right affiliate programs that align with your niche. But the beauty of it is that you can start small and scale up as you grow. You don't need a massive following or a fancy website to get started. Just your passion, authenticity, and a willingness to learn. So, if you're ready to monetize your passions, partner with brands you love, and earn passive income while you sleep, affiliate marketing is definitely worth exploring. So there you have it, 5 proven ways to build wealth even when you're not working. Whether you go with dividend stocks, real estate, digital products, peer-to-peer lending, or affiliate marketing, each has its unique strengths and potential for passive income. Now here's the exciting part. The more of these income streams you combine, the faster you can build wealth and achieve true financial freedom. Imagine having multiple streams of passive income flowing into your bank account every month. Ready to take this even further? Check out my next video. It's packed with strategies to fast-track your journey to financial freedom. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you're serious about building wealth that works you. See you in the next video.